Okay, guys. Now, when you want to make an ebook for yourself, the first thing you're going to need to do is to create it in a text document, whether that's ODT, DocX, or something else. But you are definitely going to need to create it first there before you put it into a PDF. So here's what I have. So this is just a one-page sample that we're going to transform into a PDF. So make sure you have your main image cover as well there before you put it into a PDF, and um, just size it to whatever you see fit. And this is just a sample, but you can always resize it if you're in ODT, LibreOffice, or Word, or Pages or something. Yeah, you can definitely resize the image. All right, now we're gonna bring up this. Let me just go get this text right here. Okay, perfect. All right, so now we need to just um, structure this. Okay, and let me just find a way to tab that over. Just click tab. Okay, so make sure that if you are centering this, just make sure that, let me just get rid of these gray spaces right here. Do not know why that came up. So if you're centering it or doing anything, you're always going to want to tab this as well. Let me just see if I can get that there. Yeah, so it is going to align right there. Do the same there. Do the same there. Depending on what you're going for, you will definitely actually no, get that, 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 get that. Okay, depending on what you are going for, if you want to keep the image centered, still just tab it over. If you want to just align left this, go right ahead and highlight your main body. Let me just get that there. And frustrations of working on a Mac. Okay, so just align left, and I do not know why it just did that, but yeah, just make sure that we are aligned left. And then let me just solely highlight this and center this. Okay. Okay, so you can center it if you are doing something like a table of contents and then just move it over. But right here is just what I wanted you all to get. So we just have the text aligning left, and we just tab it just to let the reader know that we have a new paragraph usually. Now you may wind up wanting to center your text, and that's okay. So just align it to the center, but it's best practice to tab it, to press tab before you start a new paragraph. So we have this right here. So this is just one document. Now I'm going to let me just save this right here, and I'm just going to put sample PDF ebook. ebook, got it. All right, audiobook mastery course, and I'm going to save it right there. Okay, now here's the fun thing about using LibreOffice is that you can export this directly as a sample ebook PDF, and then just click save, and you're golden. right there. So I'm gonna just go into Finder and then just show you that if I can just. Yeah, let me just move this down and okay, audiobook. Yeah, sample. Yeah, sample PDF. Let me just move my screen over here. Sample PDF ebook.odt. That is what we have, and we are golden. Okay, I'm gonna move this and just X that there and move this back and okay, perfect. Hmm. All right, now let me just go to the internet real quickly. Hmm. All right. Okay, now if you are on this, now if you have your docx and just want to convert it to a PDF file, it's very simple. Just select your file and then just go to your text document and it'll be there. So just make sure of that when you upload it as well. I'm in Adobe right now and I can't upload that. Let me try something else as well. Hmm. Yeah, so convert to PDF as well. So it's PDF there. So you can, there are a bunch of these. So you can upload whatever text document you want if you already have the ODT file. So we could just do it there and then just put it as a PDF as well, and as well as docx and whatever. And you're going to be set. And when you do go to sell that, whether that's on your website or through Amazon, it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna shine. So when you're selling it on your website, yeah, best use is definitely a PDF, but Amazon only takes docx. Just wanted to clarify that real quickly. So yeah, very simple. Just write your document, tab it, make it the right format, make sure your text is the right font, and then just export it directly as a PDF through LibreOffice, or come to one of the PDF convert sites, and you're going to be set up for uh, um, selling it as an ebook. So yeah, that covers it. Yeah, so just let me know. So yeah, very simple take and nothing to it. Yeah. So very simple. All right. See you all in the next video.